Hey everyone, this is Jim Todd with Song Surgeon, and I have version 5 open on my screen. We're getting so close I can taste it. I really think we're going to be in beta testing here by the end of the month, so that's within 2 weeks. I wanted to take just a couple of minutes today to give you sort of an overview of some of the new things here. I've talked about these things in bits and pieces, and I'm certainly not going to cover everything comprehensively, but just some of the highlights of this new version. So let's go ahead and open a song first of all. There it is, it's opened on my screen, and immediately we can see a couple of things. We can see the BPM down here at 131 BPM, so it's calculated the BPM. It's also determined what the key of this song is. And in a minute it should open the chords. There they are. So let's just zoom in a little bit. And you can see the chords here as Song Surgeon has determined what they are for this particular song that's been opened on the screen. Let's jump back to tempo for a second. One of the features that has been requested by many of you is that we report tempo not only as percentage but also as BPM. So as you can see, if you select the BPM setting, tempo is now reported in BPM. You can see the BPM here, which is the same thing we detected, and when you change now plus and minus, it'll change it by 1 BPM at a time. So that's one thing that you requested that we've included. Another thing that you'll notice over here with the algorithm settings is that we've included a new one, which is V for voice. And also, if you open this submenu for algorithms, you can see the components that go into each of these settings for performance and transcribe, which were carryovers from version 4, as well as V for voice. And you can change these. So if you'd like to change them to try to get better sound quality, which I think will be hard to do, but you have the option to do that now. So we built more flexibility into the algorithms here. Another thing that was requested by a number of people is the ability to control the left and the right channel audio volume separately, and now you can do that by using these sliders here. We also have included in the editing section here the ability to switch the left and right channel data, and again this is something that was requested by a number of people. So when we do that, it just simply takes one channel and moves it and switches it with the other. We have the ability here to also create a 4-beat click track based upon the tempo of this song, which in this case it's 131 beats per minute. So it creates a click track that's synchronized to this BPM level. So let's go ahead and do that. It's created it. And here is our 4-beat click track that we've created. So you can see how that works. And then lastly, another thing that was requested by a number of people is in the recording functionality, the ability to overdub. And we have added that functionality. That means now that you'll be able to play a song in Song Surgeon and record something over top of it, either using your internal microphone speakers of your computer, or if you've got an instrument that you want to send that data into the computer, it can grab that as well. So these are just a few of the many new features in version 5. I'm very excited about this, and I'm especially excited because that means we're finally at the end of this 2-year development cycle. We have a few more things which we need to tidy up. We need to implement the registration module in this, but we're getting very close. And again, I hope to have it into beta testing by the end of the month, and that should mean we're ready to release the product sometime before the end of March. So hope you like what you see. If you want to send me comments, that would be great, but that's currently where we are. And I just suggest that you stay tuned to this newsletter so you can stay up to speed with regard to all the developments and the newest time frames we have for the release of the product. Thanks for watching.